So, welcome to the Pilot Field. I'm Billy Wood, the Chief Executive of Hastings United, who are gladly happy to announce our 5th year in partnership with East Sussex College Hastings, which has produced some great academy players and some great moments across the last 4 years. I could go through them, but our Director of Football will be doing that a bit later today on this live stream, so hopefully you guys can join us. If you have any questions throughout the live stream, please add them on, and we'll answer as many as we can with myself and the guests that we have on the stream today. So the partnership with Hastings and the college is massive. It's massive locally, not just to produce great footballers, but also it's about the mentality of the town and adding a lot to the local community. Education is hugely important. Many years ago I was told, no matter what, get an education behind you, because nothing else is guaranteed in life. But with this program, we're hoping to produce not only great, kids with, going into other areas of things, but also great footballers. And today we're here to show you around the ground, show you some of the facilities. Like behind right now, you can see the bar. I don't know if you want to spin it around quickly. And most importantly, which is right now currently in the process of being finished for the season, the Pilot Field pitch. The best, I would say probably the best surface in East Sussex by far. So for you college students playing football, that should be the holy grail football pitches to play on locally, and you guys will be getting to play on it, playing for the college. So let's take you around the ground quickly. Actually, one more thing I forgot to mention. I'll get into it around the ground, but we recently done a deal that will also be partnership with the college, and that's our manufacturer's deal with Nike. So all our kits and training gear are all Nike, and that means also the colleges will be too. So from next season, you guys will be wearing Nike around the college, training for the football club in the college, and also when you play for both too. So let's take you around. As you can see, normally this is filled with 700 to 1,200 people on a match day. Very empty at the moment with COVID-19. We will take you onto the pitch as well, just to give you a little kind of feel of how things are at the moment. Beautiful old stand as well there, which is actually 100 years old this year, so a landmark year. And there's our Director of Football sitting up there as well, who will be on here later. But yeah, the pitch, like I say, our pitch has been prepared by our groundsman Simon Ruckins for the season. It was recently completely ripped up and relaid, so we're in that process now of just getting it right for the season. But it feels good out there, and yeah, it's on course. Well, I'm going to show you through the tunnel now and into where you'll be getting changed if you play for the college or for the Hastings United Academy in association with the college. So you come through the tunnel. Some lights on in here, it's a bit dark. Here we go. So this is the first ever actual preview of the change rooms. So this summer we've, in fact, the academy, head of football at the academy, our first team manager Chris Aggerton and the team, have worked incredibly hard to change room. It's currently in development at the moment. There's a few things we need to add, but yeah, this is the first actual ever look publicly of the new Hastings United dressing room, which will be used by our academy also. So have a little look around. Telly up there as well. No EastEnders. So yeah, going through it. So as a player, you will come straight through here. There'll be a new sign up there soon. Straight through. The tunnel will be out. The music will be on. And then you will come straight through into the Pilot Field, which, as I said, it's under preparation at the moment, so we won't go on it too much. But it's the best surface by far. but it needs another cut. Obviously, it's been wet, but yeah, flat. It's beautiful. It's known for it. So what I'll do now, I'll take you up the stand, and hopefully our director of football's still up there, Dean White, and he was there with Craig Otley, who you students will know, who obviously oversees the academic side of the football academy. But yeah, thank you for having me, and if there's any questions, please fire through. I'm staying around, so if you want to talk about how terrible my jacket is or anything about the club, I'm more than welcome to. So, you all right, guys?
Yeah, very well, thank you.
Pass you over to Dean and Craig.
Hi everyone, so thank you Billy, thank you for showing us around the pilot field, and yeah, we're at the college. We are very pleased that the partnership is continuing with Hastings United, and it allows us to have use of these great facilities here. So like I said, the men's academy football team next year will be playing in the Premier League of college football, so the highest level of football available to any college student. You will only be able to play that here at East Sussex College Hastings. So that will also open up doors for some of our students. Will get opportunities hopefully to go and represent England at England schoolboys level. So 3 of our students will be put forward for that. Again, great opportunities for everyone who is interested in football. If you if you're looking at going, well, I just got a little bit of interest in football, but I don't want to take it too seriously, you know, there is opportunities there as well, just to come along and train and play for one of the college teams as well. So we've had great success on the college academic side as well. So 2 of our students this year, so Aaron Clark and Nathan Spice, have both been accepted into top universities, Hartbury and Chichester. And Aaron has gone on to do strength and conditioning, and Nathan's looking to go into sports coaching, and he's also been accepted onto a talented and gifted program through being part of this program. And I know Dean's going to talk to you about obviously some of the pathways for some of the players that have come through as well. But I just want to finally say that you can be part of any course at the college and still be part of the football academy. It's not just exclusive for sport, public service students. Anyone who's got a real eagerness for football or any pathway you want to get into within football, come along. Just send us a message on here or come and talk to us when we're in enrolment, and we can go through it for you. But over to Dean.
Thanks, Craig. Yeah, there's been several successes in the last 5 years now, Craig.
Yeah.
So we've been doing this, and Jamie Fielding being one of them who's gone on from the college programme to play for Hastings. He didn't have an entirely meteoric rise. He was here. He played for the academy team. He then went out on loan to various clubs in local football before getting into the first team, and now he's gone on to play for Stevenage in the Football League. So for us that was a major success. We've had several other players go for trials at different league clubs, and I'm sure in the future we'll have many more. The football industry is a big industry that's got loads and loads of different pathways, not just playing, there's coaching, there's physiotherapy, there's analysis, there's all sorts of things you can get involved in football. It is a massive industry, and we've had Ben Cornelius, who was an early one on the course actually. Ben was, if he admits it himself, was an average footballer, but he showed a talent for coaching. He wanted to learn, and now he's gone on to be one of our main coaches at the football club, and he's got a big future ahead of him in that field, I'm sure. So thanks very much.
Yeah, so finally, just like to say, if you have got any interest in football, so male or female, obviously I know Billy maybe mentioned it, but Hastings have got a really good upcoming women's football team. So if you are interested in that, again, drop us a line when you come to the college, and we'll put you in touch with the right people to get you trialling for the women's team. If you're there as well, been out of football for a while, and you're interested, again, just make sure you show yourself your interest, and we can make sure you're put in touch with the right people. But again, thank you for listening today, and I hope you enjoyed your little tour around Hastings United. And obviously, if any of our students, you do get free access to this, being a part of the college. So any first team game, just just come up and show your student ID and you get in for nothing to watch this great football club and watch them play next season to get promotion. Thanks very much.